completed notification of all the jkssb candidates who applied different posts. It is the particular notification for those who applied for the junior assistant posts. We will click on this main website. If you are want to download the admit cards, that time we will look here and we will click. When we click on this, you must remember application ID and DOB. After that, submit. When you submit, you will find out your admit cards. And if you go the main complete notification of jkssb, that time we will go above and we will download the notification regarding the junior assistants and download this notification. When we will download this notification, it is the notification of jkssb type test. Those who have type test, their names are mentioned in this notification. Name wise student scan and candidate can search and find out their names in this notification. If your name is not mentioned in this notification, that student should understand his examination will not conduct, and it is the only those students whose name is present in this notification. Thanks for watching this video.